My name is Mark Suprok, orthopedic surgeon doing hip and knee replacements at OrthoCarolina. And I chose that primarily because I like restoring patients back to function, really of all age groups. And it allows people to enjoy life, be active, and stay healthier and live longer. The process of care often does not include surgery, and for the most part it doesn't. Most of the care is education, what to expect, how the disease process unfolds. It may culminate in surgery as the disease gets worse, say arthritis, for example, but 95% of the treatments are non-surgical.
Love working with Dr. Suprok. He is very compassionate with his patients as well as his staff. Very family-oriented, great doctor.
Dr. Suprok is a man of very few words, but speaks volumes. And he is into his patient. He just cares about the patient treatment. And there's no rush. He doesn't jump into surgery. He makes very sure that you understand everything.
Ken's an unusual case. He came to me with a knee replacement, didn't quite work out and restore the stability to him. So he was actually balancing on his leg instead of walking on it, trying to get around. He listened to my coaching, and we tried various different methods to help him without surgery. Sent him to physical therapy and worked on his strength and his balance, which didn't really restore his function. But ultimately, when all those things failed, he did come to a redo surgery, and he rapidly responded. He was able to stand on it that day and did remarkably well.
Not only do I thank Dr. Suprok, but his PAs were wonderful. His front desk ladies were attentive. It's a well-run organization. I'm very happy with his entire staff.
I think the big thing with taking care of patients is that you communicate their condition effectively to them and you explain it in a way that they understand it. They tend to do better when they understand what exactly is going on with their body.
We actually depend on each other. We share patients, we work together as a team, and that's not just the physicians, that's also all the providers from the PAs to the staff.
I saw Dr. Suprok in December of 2014.
Steve has had a lifelong stiffness in his hips, and he has gradually progressed on to develop osteoarthritis in his hips on a relationship of basically impingement disease. So his hip was destroying itself based on genetics. And he had actually lost range of motion to his hips to the point where he actually couldn't bend his hip up enough to sit.
Before my surgery, I lived with pain. The pain got so excruciating. I couldn't sit down at all. After the surgery, I'm back to normal.
It's extraordinarily rewarding to see people return back to function, to actually take someone who can't walk very well, can't even sit to ride in a car, to actually have them go back riding a bike, going on hikes, enjoying the community, and resuming an active lifestyle. It's extraordinarily rewarding.